I think so. First thing I've recorded in London. Guys, we're headed to Harry night 1. I bought this ticket on our way to London. So okay, y'all. We got my merch. I got 3 t-shirts, 2 posters. We're chilling here waiting for it to begin. Also, Feel Good Inc. is playing right now, and I think that's played at every single Harry show I've ever gone to, so that's incredible. We're good. We're sat. We're ready. LFG. Let's fucking go. Let's freaking go.
It's that time of year. If we stay the course, we could get it right. so easy. They take you for granted. Two hearts, one heart.